Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nashif Nuaid bin Razmi. I am from SK Teluk Panlima Garang. I want to review a book that I have read. The book's title is The Proud Monkey. The book's publisher is EDU Tech Publisher. Today I will review this book. The story is about a very arrogant monkey. The monkey always mocked every animal in the jungle. First, the monkey met a tortoise. He said the tortoise was a slow coach. Second, he met a deer. He mocked the deer's antlers for having so many branches. Next, the monkey met a bat. The monkey laughed at the way the bat slept. It sleeps in an upside-down position. After that, the monkey met the elephant. The monkey teased the elephant while saying, "Elephants are not good looking. The trunks are long and the ears are big." Lastly, the monkey met the crocodile. The crocodile said he was going to find his next victim. The monkey asked the crocodile who was the next victim. But it turns out the monkey was the next victim. Then the monkey said the crocodile is very stupid. And then the branch the monkey was jumping on suddenly snapped. Without wasting any time, the crocodile ate the monkey. The moral of the story is we should not be too proud or arrogant, as pride comes before a fall. That's all from me. Thank you, everyone.